Coming up on Red Hawk News, Martin Luther King Jr. Day is right around the corner.
ACIT's Winter Dance is coming up soon.
Students in cosmetology got an interesting demo.
Red Hawk News starts now.
Coming to you from Red Hawk Studios at the Atlantic County Institute of Technology, this is Red Hawk News.
Welcome to today's episode of Red Hawk News, the most trusted source for all things ACIT. I'm Zoe Reamer.
And I'm Megan Flath. Students in the cosmetology program got to see a live demonstration of a classic shave and haircut. Jared has more.
On January 4th, juniors in the cosmetology program witnessed a unique demonstration to prepare for their state board exams. Stephen Fitzgerald, who is a barber at the Smithville Barber Shop in historic Smithville and Lou's Barber Shop in Egg Harbor Township, performed a classic barber shave with a straight edge razor on Mr. Justin Abate and ACIT principal Mr. Joseph Paquet. Fitzgerald provided expert information on the best practices and techniques that create a quality shave on a male client. If you are in line for a haircut or shave soon, visit either of the shops in Egg Harbor or Smithville and mention ACIT to receive a free glass or mug. For Red Hawk News, I'm Jared Trainer.
Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday and holiday celebration is this weekend. Guidance set up a table during lunches for students to discover more about the legacy of Dr. King. They provided fact sheets, coloring pages, and word searches to teach students more about the progress and achievements of Dr. King during the civil rights movement of the 1950s and 60s. The guidance department wants students to help spread Dr. King's message and to explore how they can find the courage within themselves to impact the world around them.
Red Hawk News wants to acknowledge the monthly winners of character counts for December. The word of the month for December was fairness, and each of these winners fit the mold. For 9th grade, Hannah Kenyevich. For 10th grade, Brianna Reyes Torres. For 11th grade, Beverly St. Germain. And for 12th grade, Aaron Baldwin.
Each month, students can nominate a peer for character counts. The winners from the senior class will be in the running to win a character counts scholarship at the end of the year. Each of the winners also received a Wawa gift card. Congratulations from everyone at Red Hawk Media.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
Attention seniors, the Higher Education Student Assistance Authority will team up with Ms. Ragone to help you complete the time-consuming but very necessary financial aid form. Make sure you check for the Google form that was sent out. Sign up now so you can reserve your spot to receive assistance.
The winter formal is coming next week. On Friday, January 20th, the annual Winter Dance will be held from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. Tickets are $10 for ACIT students and $15 for non-ACIT guests, who must also complete the permission slip to attend. Tickets can be purchased on the night of the dance, but only for ACIT students.
Attention, ACIT students and staff. 2022 to 2023 yearbooks are on sale now. The $85 cost will rise again after January 24th. Yearbook ads are also available to order again. Scan the QR codes to order your yearbooks now. You can also order your yearbook at www.jostens.com/YB23.
Welcome back to Red Hawk News. ACIT's talent show is tonight at 6 p.m. Doors open at 5:30. Tickets are $10. All proceeds benefit the class of 24. We're excited to see what you have to bring to the stage. On this week's segment of Hawk Talk, our correspondents talk to students about their excitement for tonight's show.
Fall for me, won't you fall for me? I am yours in the end, so won't you fall for me?
Thank you. I'm Michael Palmentry for Word on the Street, and today we're talking about the talent show. Are you excited for the talent show?
I'm very excited.
What are you excited to see?
I'm excited to see my friend Nina and Zueli perform.
What are they doing?
They're doing a duet from, I think, Julie and the Phantoms.
I'm excited to see the people who decided to audition for it. It's always like a new thing every year. I mean, you're always going to see like the singing and dancing, but you don't know who's going to be singing and dancing this year, and that's kind of the fun of it.
Why do you think kids should come to the talent show?
because I think there's going to be a lot of good talent. I think a lot of people are going to get to showcase what they do in their free time.
To support your peers, because we all need a little support sometimes.
If you don't have a talent, you should come see everybody else do their own talents, because we all are special in our own type of ways.
They should come because they get to experience what wonderful talents ACIT students have.
Thank you.
The winter sports season is well underway. There are many opportunities to support and cheer on your favorite ACIT athletes in the coming weeks.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow Red Hawk Media on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to receive the latest news from ACIT.
Also, discover more about ACIT in our digital publication, The Pursuit. For the crew and staff of Red Hawk News, we'll see you next time. And remember,
Pursue what you love.